Today we associate the name Dodge with the greatest pickup trucks in the world, but the company's first truck effort, around the time of World War I, was actually a panel truck with a half-ton capacity and 35 horsepower four-cylinder engine. So the DNA of big Dodge trucks goes way back to the beginnings of the industry. Since the introduction of the 1929 models, all Dodge trucks have been available in a chassis or chassis and cab configuration. By 1950, even more exotic configurations had become available. For example, chassis and cowl, chassis and flat-face cowl, and chassis and windshield. Dodge has now been building chassis cab vehicles to meet every imaginable trucking need for almost 80 years.
You may ask why Dodge is bringing such a big vehicle to the brand, but if you think about it, it's our next logical step. Last fall we launched the 3500 chassis cab, and that provided all the pieces to the puzzle that we needed to go forward and build a 5500 truck. Daimler Chrysler is the leading manufacturer of commercial vehicles. Let me take this opportunity to tell you about the truck. First, we've maintained our cab styles, both quad and standard cab. We have the Ram Tough front crosshair grille, 7x10 trailer tow mirrors are standard. We have three different interior levels, an ST, SLT, and Laramie. The ST is basically geared toward the hardcore commercial truck buyer. Vinyl seats, vinyl flooring, tough stuff. Going to the other end, the Laramie, it's fully appointed leather interior, heated seats, power, locks, mirrors, like a horse rancher would need. The vehicle's powertrain options are basically a 6.7-liter Cummins turbo diesel. It's the next generation of the 5.9 ISB engine. It comes with a 16-blade variable geometry turbo, which enables us to offer a standard exhaust brake. It also has a Bosch Crin 3 fuel injection system, a 1800 bar. It gives us the ability to deliver full torque at a larger RPM band. The vehicle comes standard with a 6-speed manual transmission and an optional 6-speed automatic transmission. The automatic transmission has a very aggressive tow haul mode, and that combined with the exhaust brake gives you a very confident ride going down steep grades at full GCW. Both transmissions come with power takeoff, which gives the customer the ability to drive his hydraulic equipment like the dump or snowplow off the engine. In addition to the 6.7-liter Cummins turbo diesel, we also offer a very capable chassis. The backbone of the chassis is a C-section frame, 34-inch frame rail spacing made of 50 KSI steel. We also have a standard 52-gallon fuel tank. We have the largest front brake rotors at 390 millimeters. Most importantly, we've designed our chassis to be upfit friendly. And what do I mean by that? I look at it as a seamless transition between the cab chassis design and manufacture and that of the upfit, which is the dump or the flatbed. We designed our chassis so that we can easily marry these upfits onto them to minimize cost, maximize quality, and be most efficient. Some of those features include a clean flat top, 34-inch rail spacings, U-bolt access across the entire length, E-coated frame instead of wax-coated makes it easier to weld and cut and grind. The fuel filler deck routes through the frame so you don't have to navigate over the filler neck. In addition, we also have an optional 22-gallon midship tank. This vehicle is designed to meet the needs of a small business tradesmen like contractors, landscape companies, and alike. You'll see these vehicles running around with flatbeds, dump bodies, stake bodies on them, cube boxes. Both the Ram 4500 and 5500 chassis cabs will compete in the Class 4 and Class 5 commercial vehicle segments. Vehicles in these segments have a gross vehicle weight range between 14,000 and 19,900 pounds. What you can do with this vehicle is only limited by your imagination.